Welcome back, students, to the next part of tenses. The third tense is present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? It is used to express an event that started in the past and impact of the event is now continuing. Or you can say that a long running event that started in the past and is still going on. Now, the structure for this is subject plus helping verb, and we use has or have in present perfect tense, and we use verbs third form in this tense plus object. If the subject is I, you, we, they means plural, then you have to use have, and if the subject is he, she, it, you will use has with third form of verb. And its Urdu identification is चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं. या फिर जिस जुमले के आखिर में या आता हो, या है या हैं, those sentences are present perfect tense. Now example number 1 is हम जमात सजा चुके हैं. We have decorated the class. Second sentence is उसने खाना नहीं खाया है. Now look, in first sentence there is चुके हैं, and in this sentence there is खाया है. You have both the examples and it will be easier for you to understand these sentences or understand the tense, that how we identify the tense in Urdu. So, she has not taken the meal. As this is negative sentence, so we put not before verb, and the third form of take is taken. So the sentence is she has not taken the meal. Now come toward the exercise of present perfect tense. Sentence number 1, अम्मी कुरान की तिलावत कर चुकी हैं. Mother has recited the Quran. उसने सवाल हल नहीं किया है. Again, this is negative sentence, so we have to put not before verb. He has not solved the sum. हम मैच जीत चुके हैं. We have won the match. Number 4, बारिश थम चुकी है. It has stopped the rain. प्रिंसिपल तकरीर कर चुकी हैं. The principal has made the speech. Now, the fourth tense is present perfect continuous tense. So, first of all, let me tell you what is present perfect continuous tense. It is the tense which show that an action started in the past and has continued up to the present moment. It emphasizes duration or the amount of time that an action has been taking place. So it is necessary to use since or for according to the requirement. Why we use sin or when we use since? Since used when the point of time is showing in the sentence, like 1 a.m., 1996, or morning, afternoon, evening. These are the point of time. And we use for when the duration of time is showing in the sentence, like 4 years, 2 days, So structure for this sentence is subject plus helping verb, which is has been or have been according to the subject. Then verb first form plus ing plus object. Then comes since or for according to the time given in the sentence, and then time. Time is the main identification of present perfect continuous tense. So the first example is वो आधे घंटे से सफाई कर रही है. She has been cleaning for half an hour. Now आधे घंटे से, this is the duration of time, so we put for over here. In second sentence, वो सुबह से सालगिरह की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. They have been preparing for birthday since morning. Now come to the exercise of present perfect continuous tense. Sentence number 1, वो 2 घंटे से किताब पढ़ रही है. She has been reading the book for 2 hours. Number 2, क्या वो सुबह से हॉकी खेल रहे हैं. Have they been playing hockey since morning? Number 3, हम कई साल से यहाँ रह रहे हैं. We have been living here for many years. Number 4, 2 दिन से मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है. It has been raining cats and dogs for 2 days. Number 5, वो 2017 से इस स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ रहा है. He has not been studying in this school since 2007. So students, I hope you all understand that